Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2014 Suzuki GSR 750. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's have a close look at this Suzuki. It is HPI clear. It's only one former keeper. It does also have a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front. We'll work all the way around the bike and get a good close look at the condition. The bike is in it's like a matte metallic grey and black. Let's get a look at the front wheel. This does have ABS on it. Good looking at the engine on this side. Get a look at the chain and the sprocket. And the back wheel. Let's get a look at the side of the tank and the side plastics. And the side of the seat as well. Let's move up and over the top of the seat as well and the top of the tank. And we'll move over, get a view from the back of the bike. We'll move round to the right hand side. Get looking at the back brake. Plenty on those pads. And the back wheel and the exhaust. Everything standard on this bike. Let's get a look in at the engine and the starter there. And we'll do the same look at the side plastics, the side of the tank and the side of the seat. Just move the bars around so you can see the whole of the tank. We'll move back round to the front. We'll finish off on the front wheel on this right hand side. What we'll do now, we'll move up, go and have a look at the dash and the controls and get the exact mileage off the bike. Okay, we'll quickly go through the controls. So you've got your front brake, it's got a reach adjuster on there. You've got your throttle, your kill switch and your starter over on the right hand side. Then over to the left hand side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators and horn, and your hazard lights there. So what we'll do, we'll turn the ignition on, get the exact miles off it, and it's done 20,251. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that. Send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.